presenting the 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include AC, driver airbag, power door locks, adjustable steering wheel, AM/FM stereo, traction control, power steering, ABS, and cruise control. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.